butter I made. Homemade peanut butter. This one is already done. I make a homemade peanut butter. So this one is my homemade peanut butter. So already done. Put here. Sige. Nakadalawa na ako. Tatlong jar ang nalagyan ko. So this one is peanut butter I made. Homemade peanut butter for today's vlog. So I want to taste this one. What have here? So fluffy the banana bread. Peanut butter talaga. This is my perfect peanut butter, guys. Wow. Look at that. Mayroon ko dito. Kata pa naman dito. So amazing. Naman ko siya. Yung anak ko, papagbaunin ko. Kasi papasok siya sa office. Kasi wow! Tama lang yung ganyan sweet sa peanut butter.